to the 7th Annual International Finance Awards in Dubai. Today we are joined by some of the region's top performers, and they're going to share their insights to how they have achieved their performance over the previous year and their insights for the future. I'm joined today by Miss Ayşe Figen Gardet from Gulf Sigorta. She's the Deputy General Manager.
Correct.
And she's collecting the award for the Best Travel Insurance Company in Turkey 2019. So if you'd be kind to share your insights.
Sure. I'm one of the General Deputy Managers at Gulf Sigorta, and I've been in insurance industry for over 20 years. I started my career in the US, in San Francisco, as a wholesale-based broker, and upon my return to Turkey in 2007, joined AIG. So in my current position, I'm in charge of communications and marketing, operations, as well as alternative distribution. So, and very glad to have really been granted this fantastic reward.
And congratulations on the award.
Thank you.
So could you please tell me some more about Gulf Insurance Group and Gulf Sigorta?
Definitely. We belong as Gulf Sigorta Turkey operation. We are part of Gulf Insurance Group, and the shareholders for Gulf Insurance Group are KIPCO, based in Kuwait, and Fairfax, based in Canada. Both companies are very strong shareholders and holding groups, both in terms of financial strength and also in terms of really robust experience in their fields. So the Turkish operation started through acquisition of a smaller insurance company in 2016, followed by a larger acquisition of AIG Turkey operation in 2017. And at which time both companies were merged under Gulf Insurance Group roof, and we have been operating as such since that time. I believe it's really a strong operation as it brings on board a very, very important experience from AIG times, and also like I said, the support from the shareholders and the group companies. So, so far we are doing well. We are on our track, following our vision and mission, and I think we'll be continuing on doing even better things. And I just want to also mention what makes us stand out as Gulf Sigorta from the competition. I think it's part of the reason is the portfolio diversification we have. We offer consumer and commercial products, and we have a very well-balanced portfolio in terms of production. Also, we cater to different needs and through different distribution channels. So that's, I think, really a strength.
Okay, so from this, what would you say would be the top 3 reasons that make you the best travel insurance provider in Turkey?
Great question, thank you. I think, of course, a very strong, competent team and a lot of experience, both local and global, are, I think, really material criteria that added to this great accomplishment. But in addition to that, also the product we offer, the simplicity of the product, and the fact that the product itself really meets a real need. These products are very, very easy to understand, easy to access from different platforms, as I mentioned. And of course, our strong partnerships on the right platforms with the right, I think, partners, I would say.
So why do people need to have travel insurance? Are there any specific criteria that you would like to share with the market about?
Sure. I think when we say insurance, of course, we are referring to unexpected risks and exposures, and we are looking for ways to really cover them to the best of our ability. And I think in terms of travel insurance itself, when you are traveling, you, I think, automatically become even more vulnerable to different exposures. And you are away from home. Sometimes you don't know who to go to. Sometimes there are language problems, and sometimes there are other frustrations that add, I think, to the exposure. So for our travel products, we really try to have a wide variety of products and programs with different policies so that we can meet different needs. If you are an individual traveler and just getting ready for a vacation, there might be many different exposures that you might come across, starting from missing your flight, the delay in your flight, upon arrival maybe losing your baggage, or some other health emergencies or other really exposures that might be on your way. So our products are designed to really match these needs. We also offer different programs for corporations, for business travelers, so that they can be at ease and do not have interruption of their business while traveling.
Great. So are there any specific business partnerships that you think you have added to your position in the market?
Definitely. Our most important, I think, and one of the most historical relationships we have had is with our national flag carrier, Turkish Airlines. We have partnered with them for almost 10 years now, and I think the success that came from this relationship is mostly because we listen to their needs, we listen to the client's needs, and we tried to make an effort to align our offering with what the customer needed, our mutual customer needed. So we met them in terms of making the product available and accessible on their own platform, integrating ourselves to their systems. So I would say that is a very strong and successful relationship. But we also have relationships with other airliners, including Pegasus and Atlas Airlines. We also have allies from bus companies, other travel companies, online travel companies. So it is really a wide range of, I think, customers that we try to serve.
And how do you manage to keep up with technology? I mean, are you comfortable that you provide intuitive and user-friendly options on the market?
That's another great point. Thank you for bringing that up. I think more and more every day, making your product available to the consumer in the simplest way is becoming more and more important. And we are aware of that necessity and need, so we put great emphasis on technology and investing in that. And when we do our investments, we prioritize the customer experience, making sure that our product is not complicated. It is easy to access, understand, and the coverage we provide is instantly available upon purchase. So if you have a chance to go to, for example, the Turkish Airlines website, when you purchase your airplane ticket, you'll see that our product is available right underneath with just very simple terms, just really summarizing the coverage. The price is there, it's reasonably priced. And also the next level for Gulf Sigorta in this area is making it even easier. And we have already started making our product available through mobile applications. But the next step will be also making it available to submit claims online, to get reimbursed online, and other processes that are within the policy life cycle, let's say.
So how easy is it to make purchases across the Gulf on digital platforms?
It is actually for consumer products. That was where we started the digitalization process, because those are the easiest, I think, products to understand and also explain on these platforms. Whereas, you know, commercial products are a lot more complicated and may require some intermediary support. So for our screens that we made available to consumers, and also our brokers and agents and anyone who is really interested in getting an offer from us, very, very intuitive, very fast. You can have different alternatives and options really within reasonable times. I would say from 10 seconds to 20, 30 seconds, depending on the product you choose. But particularly for the travel product, it is really within seconds, very, very easy and intuitive, because that is what we believe we are mandated to provide to our customers. No one has the patience or the time or the added complications. It should be very straightforward, and I think we are pretty much there.
That's great. Thank you, Ms. Gardet.
You're welcome. Thank you.
Thank you for joining us and sharing your valuable insights on the year ahead and on your achievements.
Thank you very much, and thank you. We are really humbled and honored by this fantastic reward, and will continue, I think, striving to do even better and serve our customers.
From International Finance, we wish you the best for next year.
Thank you very much.
Thank you.
Bye.